Hi guys, I'm playing catch up at the moment, so please forgive me. Shouldn't use my teeth. I always have though. Okay, let's have a look. This is, look, oh, the girls are so good to me. Okay, Thursday the 25th of December, special offer. Healing Heartache Kit. I think a lot of us need that right now. Okay, let's see what we've got. We've got Cleansing Negative Energy Aura Spray. Beautiful. We've got Sacred Negative Energy Sticks. One of the top selling products on the website. We've got Golden Heart Oil. Absolutely beautiful. Perfect, actually. Then we've got a beautiful, this is lovely. Look at that. Rose Quartz. It's got to be. Healing Heart Rose Quartz. So that is the bracelet. Also the sphere. Absolutely beautiful, high quality. And the sphere pendant. Perfect. One around your neck to hold. One in your pocket to take out whenever you want. Beautiful. And yeah, you might want to take that off on a night or leave it on. Put this next to your bed. Absolutely perfect. Keep this on. Keep that on all night. Why not? You're healing your heart. And then, I'm not going to take this out. I'm just going to show it you. There you go. This is a beautiful rose quartz dream catcher. My own design. So all of that together, what does that come to, Mr. Bajerski? Total to that, if you buy that today, would be just short of 300. And I'm going to put it on special offer for 4 sets only for, what have we put? 160. Hope you appreciate it. So yeah, one link below. Catching up a little bit. I hope you enjoy that special offer on markbajerski.com or under special offer or one link under here. All right, have a great day.